Hey folks, you know that old saying, just because it's new, it's good. Doesn't always go that way. There's a brand new battery sitting on the shelf for I don't know how long, but let's say it is now June 1st. Over here it says that the born date was February of 25. So it's about what, 4 months. It might have been sitting on the shelf or somewhere. But anyway, put the battery in just the other day. I didn't like the way it started. Okay, so I went and I hooked up my little meter here. It shows a little less than 12. I'm going to put it on a low test. Okay, we'll see where it is. See, it goes to weak. So it's just a little bit above 9 volts. So this thing definitely needs a charge. But like I said, just because it's new, sitting on the shelf, don't mean that it's a good battery. All right. No matter where you buy it from, there's an AutoZone brand. You can buy it from Advance. You can buy it from Walmart or whatever you want. Most batteries, when they sit on the shelf, they will sulfate and they will wear out and die as they sit on the shelf. That's just normal. So just a quick little thing over here. The other day, I saw 2 hoods open on 2 separate Jeeps next to each other. Stopped by to help. Found out that one Jeep battery was dead. The Jeep was only 7 months old. So I thought I'd bring that battery back and get it under warranty before it gets too late that you can't. But apparently she's been doing this for a while. Just because you jump the battery, then you go to start it and it starts, and then you run home and then you start it again. It works good at home. The battery is still dead. All right. So no matter what, the battery is no good. And the other Jeep next to her, she's that she went through 3 batteries with her Jeep. So, all right. So if the battery's dead, just because you run it for an hour or 2 hours or whatever, the battery's still dead. Replace it. Okay? That's it. Thanks for watching.